how to fix Shein suspended account. So here's what we want to do. You want to open up your browser on your phone and just Google search for contact Shein support. Now you don't want to open up the first website that pops up here. You want to scroll down until you see the mobile website. So it's going to say m.shein.com. So it doesn't matter which website you open as long as it has the mobile letter here in front of it. And here what we want to do is choose customer service. Now, after you have chosen customer service here, we can continue without signing in. And need more support, please click the button below. So we're just gonna contact agent and submit a ticket. Now, please select your question type here. We will do account information update, and we need to enter our name here. So just do the name that's on your Shein account, and this is really important, your email address. So type your email address. Describe your question here. You want to type, I would like to know if or why my account was suspended and what I can do to reactivate it, as I have not broken any TOS, terms of service, something like that. And you can also upload files here. If you want to upload a picture of your suspended account, then you click on submit and check your email address for a response, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.